I'll be showing you the do's.
And I'll be showing you the don'ts.
First, make sure you always have on your safety glasses.
Don't put fingers in the danger zone.
Always make sure you know what you're measuring before you measure it.
Don't wear baggy clothes.
Make sure you put the blade up to height.
And don't pull back the wood.
And those are the do's.
Those are the don'ts.
Jasmine.
Eileen, and we're going to show you how to cut a piece of wood.
Okay, follow us. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the table saw. Like, just go around.
Alright, this is the table saw. When you're using it, you have to measure out your wood, then you have to adjust the blade 1/4 of an inch above the wood. And right before you're getting ready to use it, you have to put it down, and you have to lock this into place. While you're cutting, you have to use this in order to push it through. And if someone can help you, they can come on the other side and grab it while it's being cut. And that's it.
Okay, always make sure that you have someone on the other side of you, so when it's time for the wood to come out, you're not cutting yourself.
You can grab it, but you gotta be extra careful not to cut yourself.
Okay, and I'm Jasmine, and this is Eileen, and this is the table saw on our safety video. Thank you for watching. I'm the do's.
And I'm the don'ts.